So CII is organizing this 23rd enterprise event in Odisha with the partnership with the government of Odisha, and we are very thankful that the people have been supportive, the industries have been supportive, and this event on a e-platform, on a virtual platform, would connect people across India, across the world, who will hear about the positive governance story of Odisha, the miracles that the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Naveen Patnaik ji, has done. And I think the Odisha is going to immensely benefit by more industries coming into the state very soon. See, in terms of 2030, as you see, for Odisha as a state, it's a mineral-based state. So how do we value add on mineral is something which is going to be important. I see that Odisha would have at least 80 to 100 million ton of steel production by 2030, which is the All India target of 300 million tons. And to cater to that, all the other aspects of infrastructure, logistics, human resources, skill development would become very important. And I see that Odisha would be a leading state in India, and of course the eastern states and India, and very prominent in the world very soon. I believe that CII will keep on evolving, and of course we have the national umbrella and we have the state umbrella. So we believe that CII will continue partnering, bringing in the best practices, the best initiatives from across the world, and actually partner with the government to actually build a robust policy platform. So JSPL actually is now committed to Odisha for expanding the steel plant from 6 million ton to 25.2 million ton by 2030. It is going to be the largest single location plant in the world. So that is what the JSPL vision is. And as you said, that a company is built by its people. So we are very thankful to the visionary chairman, Shri Naveen Jindal ji, who has actually given the vision. And it's always people. So I think it's all about people, and I see that JSPL is one of the topmost company in Odisha by 2030.